Marble floor leveling A to Z, complete step by step process, grinding, honing, polishing. Welcome to this complete professional marble floor leveling guide, where you'll discover every stage of transforming an uneven, dull, or damaged marble floor into a perfectly level, smooth, and mirror-like surface. Whether you are a beginner learning the basics, an experienced marble installer, a flooring contractor, a stone restoration specialist, or simply someone passionate about construction and home improvement, this comprehensive tutorial is designed to help you understand the entire marble finishing process from start to finish. Marble has been one of the world's most elegant and durable natural stones for centuries. It is widely used in luxury homes, villas, hotels, shopping malls, office buildings, public spaces, staircases, hallways, bathrooms, kitchens, and commercial projects because of its timeless beauty, natural patterns, and exceptional durability. However, even the highest quality marble can lose its shine over time due to heavy foot traffic, scratches, uneven installation, stains, weather exposure, poor maintenance, or years of daily use. This complete step-by-step video demonstrates the professional methods used to restore marble floors while achieving maximum flatness, smoothness, and long-lasting brilliance. Every stage of the process is carefully explained so viewers can understand not only what is being done but also why. Each step is important for producing results. The restoration journey begins with a detailed inspection of the marble floor. Before any grinding or polishing starts, experienced professionals carefully examine the entire surface to identify uneven sections, scratches, chipped edges, hollow spots, worn out areas, stains, previous repairs, and natural imperfections. This inspection helps determine the correct grinding sequence and ensures that every part of the floor receives the attention it needs. Proper preparation is one of the most important stages in marble floor restoration. Dust, loose particles, construction debris, adhesive residues, paint marks, and contaminants must be removed before grinding begins. A clean surface allows the grinding equipment to work efficiently while reducing unnecessary wear on the diamond tools and ensuring consistent contact with the marble surface. One of the main goals of marble leveling is to eliminate lippage, which occurs when adjacent marble tiles are installed at different heights. Even small differences in height can affect both the appearance and safety of the floor. Professional grinding gradually removes these irregularities until the entire floor becomes perfectly level, creating a seamless transition from one marble tile to the next. Using specialized marble grinding machines equipped with industrial-grade diamond abrasives, professionals begin removing the highest points on the surface. The grinding process is carried out slowly and methodically to avoid damaging the natural stone while maintaining complete control over the cutting depth. Every pass contributes to creating a flatter, stronger, and more attractive marble surface. Water plays a vital role during wet grinding. Continuous water flow helps cool the diamond tools, minimizes dust, improves cutting efficiency, and protects both the equipment and the marble from overheating. Professional operators carefully monitor the amount of water used throughout the grinding process to maintain ideal working conditions. Throughout this video, you'll witness the gradual transformation of rough marble into an increasingly refined surface. Each grinding stage removes the scratches left by the previous abrasive, producing a progressively smoother finish that prepares the marble for honing and final polishing. This systematic approach is the key to achieving a flawless professional result. Attention to detail makes all the difference in marble restoration. Every corner, edge, doorway, hallway, and difficult-to-reach area requires careful treatment using specialized handheld tools that complement the larger floor grinding machines. These finishing techniques ensure a uniform appearance across the entire project without visible transitions or unfinished sections. Professional marble restoration is not simply about making the floor shine. It is about restoring the natural beauty of the stone, improving durability, extending the life of the flooring, enhancing safety by eliminating uneven edges, and increasing the overall value of the property. When performed correctly, marble restoration can make an old floor look almost new while preserving the unique natural patterns that make marble one of the world's most admired building materials. As you continue watching this complete tutorial, you'll learn how every stage contributes to producing exceptional results that meet professional construction standards. From the first grinding pass to the final mirror-like polish, every technique shown in this guide has been selected to demonstrate best practices used by skilled marble restoration professionals around the world. After completing the initial inspection and preparing the work area, the next stage focuses on professional marble grinding, which is considered the foundation of the entire restoration process. Grinding is the most critical step because every stage that follows, including honing, polishing, and final finishing, depends on how accurately the surface is leveled during this phase. A perfectly ground marble floor provides the ideal base for achieving exceptional clarity, reflection, and long-term durability. Professional technicians begin by selecting the appropriate diamond grinding tools according to the condition of the marble. Floors with significant height differences, deep scratches, construction damage, or severe wear require coarse diamond segments capable of removing material efficiently while maintaining complete control over the grinding depth. Floors that are already relatively smooth may begin with finer abrasives to preserve as much of the natural stone as possible while still producing a perfectly level surface. Every marble floor is unique. The hardness, mineral composition, age, installation quality, and previous maintenance history all influence the grinding strategy. Experienced professionals continuously evaluate the floor during the process, adjusting machine speed, grinding pressure, water flow, and the sequence of diamond grits to ensure consistent results across the entire surface. One of the primary objectives during grinding is the complete elimination of lippage. Lippage occurs when neighboring marble tiles sit at different heights, creating visible edges that reduce both beauty and safety. By carefully grinding the highest points, technicians gradually blend every tile into a continuous, perfectly smooth plane. This not only improves appearance but also creates a more comfortable walking surface while reducing the risk of tripping. Large industrial floor grinding machines are designed to distribute pressure evenly across the marble surface. Their heavy construction allows diamond abrasives to cut efficiently without creating unwanted waves or uneven grinding marks. However, machine operation requires considerable experience. Moving too quickly may leave inconsistent scratches, while moving too slowly in one location may remove excessive material. Maintaining a steady, controlled movement is essential for achieving results. Water lubrication plays an equally important role throughout the grinding process. Continuous water flow cools the diamond tools, prevents overheating, washes away grinding residue, reduces airborne dust, and allows the abrasives to cut more effectively. The resulting slurry is periodically removed so technicians can accurately inspect the progress of each grinding stage before moving to finer diamond grits. As the coarse grinding progresses, the original imperfections gradually disappear. High spots become level with surrounding tiles, damaged areas are reduced, previous polishing marks are removed, and the entire marble floor begins developing a uniform texture. Although the surface may initially appear dull, this is a normal and necessary stage that prepares the stone for refinement during honing and polishing. Corners, edges, stair landings, wall junctions, columns, and narrow spaces require specialized handheld grinding equipment because larger machines cannot reach these areas effectively. Skilled craftsmen carefully blend these sections with the main floor so that the finished project maintains the same appearance, texture, and level across every visible surface. Professional marble restoration demands patience rather than speed. Attempting to skip grinding stages or move directly to finer abrasives can leave hidden scratches that become visible after polishing. For this reason, experienced technicians inspect the floor repeatedly under different lighting conditions, ensuring that every scratch created by a previous grit has been completely removed before progressing to the next stage. This disciplined workflow is one of the defining characteristics of high-quality marble restoration. Throughout this grinding phase, attention is given not only to the appearance of the marble but also to preserving the integrity of the natural stone. Excessive material removal is avoided whenever possible, allowing the floor to retain its original thickness while still achieving a perfectly level surface. The balance between effective grinding and stone preservation is what separates professional craftsmanship from ordinary floor finishing. By the end of this stage, the marble floor has undergone a remarkable transformation. Uneven sections have been corrected, scratches have been significantly reduced, damaged areas have been blended, and the entire surface has been prepared for the next important phase, honing. The floor now possesses the structural precision required for producing the deep clarity, brilliant reflection, and luxurious finish that make professionally restored marble one of the most impressive flooring materials in residential, commercial, and architectural spaces around the world. With the grinding stage successfully completed, the marble floor enters one of the most important phases of the restoration process, professional honing. Although many people focus only on polishing, experienced marble restoration specialists understand that the quality of the final shine depends heavily on the precision of the honing process. Honing acts as the bridge between heavy grinding and mirror polishing, gradually refining the marble surface while removing the microscopic scratches left behind by the previous grinding stages. During honing, technicians replace coarse diamond abrasives with progressively finer diamond pads. Each new grit is specifically designed to eliminate the scratch pattern created by the previous one, producing an increasingly smoother and more uniform surface. This gradual refinement is essential because skipping even a single grit can leave hidden imperfections that become highly visible once polishing compounds are applied. Professional craftsmen carefully inspect the floor after every honing stage. Bright lighting, multiple viewing angles, and years of practical experience allow them to identify any remaining scratches, uneven reflections, or inconsistencies that could reduce the quality of the final finish. If necessary, certain areas are re-honed until the entire marble surface reaches a perfectly consistent appearance. One of the remarkable characteristics of natural marble is its unique crystal structure. As the honing process progresses, this natural beauty begins to emerge more clearly. Veins become sharper, color variations become richer, and the stone develops a smooth satin appearance that reveals the true elegance hidden beneath years of wear and surface damage. Unlike aggressive grinding, honing focuses on refinement rather than material removal. The objective is to smooth the marble surface at a microscopic level while preserving the natural integrity of the stone. This careful approach ensures that the marble maintains its original thickness while achieving exceptional surface quality that is ready for polishing. Maintaining consistent machine movement remains extremely important throughout the honing process. Professionals overlap each pass carefully, ensuring that every section of the floor receives equal treatment. Uneven movement or inconsistent pressure can create visible differences in texture that may become apparent after polishing. Precision and patience are therefore essential qualities throughout this stage. Water continues to play a significant role during honing. It lubricates the diamond pads, carries away fine stone particles, prevents overheating, and helps produce a cleaner cutting action. The slurry generated during honing is regularly removed so technicians can accurately evaluate the developing surface and determine when it is ready for the next finer abrasive. Special attention is also given to transitions between large open areas and difficult locations such as doorways, room corners, stair edges, decorative borders, wall intersections, and architectural details. Hand-operated polishing tools allow professionals to match these areas perfectly with the main floor, creating a seamless appearance throughout the entire project. As each honing stage is completed, the marble becomes noticeably smoother to the touch. Light begins reflecting more evenly across the surface, subtle imperfections gradually disappear, and the floor develops an increasingly refined texture. Although the stone has not yet reached its final glossy finish, the improvement in clarity and uniformity is already remarkable. Experienced restoration professionals understand that successful honing requires patience rather than speed. Rushing through the process may save time temporarily, but it often results in visible swirl marks, uneven reflections, or reduced gloss during the final polishing stage. By investing additional time during honing, professionals ensure that the finished marble floor achieves maximum brilliance, long-lasting durability, and superior visual quality. The honing process also contributes to easier maintenance in the future. A properly honed marble surface is smoother, less likely to trap dirt, easier to clean, and better prepared to accept polishing compounds or protective treatments. This not only improves the immediate appearance of the floor but also extends its service life and reduces future maintenance requirements. By the conclusion of the honing stage, the marble floor has been transformed from a heavily ground surface into an exceptionally smooth and refined foundation ready for final polishing. Every scratch has been systematically minimized, every section has been carefully blended, and the natural beauty of the stone has been fully prepared to reveal its ultimate brilliance. The next phase, professional polishing, will unlock the deep mirror like reflection, vibrant color, and luxurious finish that make expertly restored marble floors one of the most prestigious flooring solutions in modern architecture and interior design.